we're going to use sound to control the sprite. So for this we can use Scratch, and what we're going to do is give them a background. Now this is my version of Scratch is hungry, so we're going to find a background. I think we can use a refrigerator. Here he is. So we'll pop Scratch up on the first shelf. Of course that'll be Scratch's starting position. Now we need to give him something to eat, so we'll go and find him some, I don't know, fruit salad. Now none of these change, well, a little bit here, a little bit there. So fruit salad, come on in. Then we're going to go to the costume and change the costume so that we can get an empty bowl of fruit salad too. So right click and duplicate fruit salad 2, get the eraser. Sure, it's a big one, isn't it? Make it a bit smaller, about half size maybe. Right, start getting rid of unwanted fruit salad. Right. And we just need to repair the bowl. Click on this one. It's going to be black. See how big that line is. That looks all right, doesn't it? Right, give you back a bowl shape. Fill that line back in again. I am not the world's best artist, so there we go. We're going to fill it. So to get to the exact right colour, I'm going to pick the colour. There we have a nice empty bowl. Full bowl, empty bowl. Loving it. So of course the fruit salad in the code is going to start with a full bowl. So we go to looks. That's where that one's going to start. Right. So now what we're going to do is go back to, well, what we're going to do is we'll start with the fruit salad. So what we're going to do is when it starts, so we can use the flag to make it start. Now we're going to make it disappear at some stage, so we just need to have it show to start with on the correct costume. Now we want it to go to a certain random X position, so it'll be in the same Y position all the time. It's only going to change X position, so somewhere along the bottom of the fridge. So in our motions, we're going to set X2, and we're going to give him some random choices. So first one will be minus to 10, and all the way along to .207. So anywhere along that range it can pop up. Okay, so we're going to pop that in here. Now what we're going to do is when the cat touches the fruit salad, it's going to be like he's eaten it. So we're going to wait until it is touching, and Scratch is called Sprite 1. So we're going to make a chomp sound. Here it is, already there. Yes, a chomp sound. So we go into sound, make the chomp sound. Then we're going to switch the fruit salad's costume to the empty bowl. And then we can wait 1 second. Hide. And that will be the end of that particular round. So go to the bottom and stop all scripts. Right, so there we go. There's what's happening to the fruit salad. Over here we have Scratch. He's starting where he should be. So what we're going to do is we're going to get to actually be able to show what the voice control is doing. We're going to get it to draw. So when we start off, we want to make sure there's nothing there. Erase everything. Make sure he's back in the right position. And the pen is up, so we don't draw anything. Go to your correct position, and then we're happy to put the pen down. And away we go. He's not going to disappear at all. Then what we're going to do is now bring in the loudness. So now he's going to have two things he's going to be doing. He's either going to be moving along or he's going to drop down and eat his salad. So first of all, we have to put in some conditions. Right, sensing some loudness here. Here it is. So if the loudness is more than 50, it's going to change the Y position, which is his up and down position, by -10 because we're going down to get to the fruit salad. If the loudness doesn't go past 50, then we're going to keep changing X by 1, so he's going to keep moving forward by 1. But we're going to keep Y at this level. So we're going to keep Y at 93. There we go. Just keep them up there. Okay. Now we want him to be detecting that the whole time that the program's running. So we have to pop that into a forever loop. And the pen down business, that's going to track what he's doing. Okay. So when the flag, put the flag on that one. Flag's already on that one. Okay. Right, so if we hit the flag, can you see the loudness? And down, down, go! There, he's eaten it. So that's all good. So now if I hit the flag again, it'll reset, take away all the lines. And we're going to have to wait a bit. So see him go down, down. See, you're controlling him with your voice and how loud and long you can hold it for. So now we're going to get him go down, down. There he is, and he ate his food. So there you go. There's an example of being able to use sound to control your sprites.